Remember me come telling about coffee? You see? Remember me telling about coffee, you know? And how much people cost me coffee, this coffee that. See, coffee come out now, come say she's no Rasta. And she eat every kind of meat in the world now. But my question is, why she never said that when she just have tried bust? Why she never said that when everybody a give a Rasta glory and a give a Rasta benefits? You call them deceivers and imposters, pirates of the faith. That's why I know the Rasta thing kind of mash up, because Rasta not have no system set up for give guidelines and if you go forward another faith, how it work. Anybody can just put on locks and come sing 2 words with sound righteous, and there's no background check, there's no liberty check, there's no order. There's no order there. Them just come and infiltrate Rasta and make millions and not give back nothing to Bubba Hill, not give back nothing to Rasta House, not give back nothing to 12 tribes, not give back nothing to Naya Bingi. And just creep the whole of the money off of Celestia and Rasta name and gone. And then when them want to eat shit and drink piss now, them come to them and never Rasta. Because them expect we to accept, say, them a live dirty life. So now them feel free to say, them and a Rasta. You wouldn't like me tell you what it happened to people like them there. Because if I'm me around the Rasta community, still I say I would have to sin me. Remember me tell you that. So as you may say, when them hungry and them not the money and them stress and not try bust, them a Rasta. But when them bust and make the millions, and people expect a certain level of responsibility and a certain level of discipline and order from them quick to jump out publicly and say them and a Rasta. So even if you never did Rasta, when everybody portray you to be a Rasta, why you never ball out and say you're a Rasta? Before the millions, before the shows, before the songs, before the hits, before the star life on again from Rasta. Why? Because I'm going to take people for fool. I'm going to take with the idiot. And that's why I'm trying to cuss nobody out today. I'm going to try not get too, because I want it straight from the message. Now there's no way, and I say this again, you know, any Rasta, anybody will say them a Rasta, when me see wear the cross, you cannot chat to me about Rasta. You're not a Rasta. Anybody will say them a Rasta and celebrate Christmas and Jesus, you can't tell me say you're not a Rasta. You're liar. See? These things go against black people. And if you are Rasta, you are in defense of black people's rights and benefits. So if you support that, you can't tell me say you're Rasta.
Wagwan massive, blessed love and welcome to the channel again. Once say massive respect to all of the people them who they like up the video them and share the video them and watch the video. You understand? Once say welcome to all of the new subscribers same way too. You see me I say? So we want to give thanks to all of the support, and we want to just ask the man them and the sister in them and the people them to just keep it. You understand? Keep it coming, man. You see it? Yeah, man. Give thanks. So we see a little thing go on in the space again, same way where Foota Hype attack some things about coffee. You see it? And while we support some of the things that Foota Hype are saying, we kind of believe say Foota Hype attacks on truth in this. But the thing where me not to rate is where Foota Hype is like him buying reggae lifestyle with Rasta lifestyle. And me just want to clear that. You understand? Because it's a little myth where they go on, and if we continue and allow them little myth to surface and circulate around the place, them little things have now become true. You see it? So me here Foota Hype call out some things, and him a call out say, boy, the rest of them for go and them for go trim Koffee and demand back money from Koffee and all of them kind of things. You see it? Well, me find them kind of argument kind of strange, you see me I say? And weird, yeah, if you say the least. Because watch you now, the first thing we want to address is this locks thing. You see, locks is not a Rasta thing, you know. See? So people must just get that straight in their head still. And just understand that. Locks is not a Rasta thing. Rasta no own no monopoly pan people wearing locks. See? Because me meet some brethren in a Europe. And them brethren they come from South Africa. See? And the man them, when you look upon them, to a traditional Jamaican person, them would have say that them man they are a Rasta, because them look the part, them dress the part, and them act the part same way to some conscious brethren. See? And a Rasta them a deal with, but them have locks and them bless you and all of them things. Everything where you see Rasta deal with, them people they deal with it. See? It's just that I don't remember the group of people where they come from. You understand? So that make we put that out of the space. See? As we see in a society nowadays, you find say all different kind of people wear locks. You understand? And them now have nothing to do with Rasta. You understand? Me even see Christian people have locks and them go to church, and they say enough Christian female me say with locks. You understand? So locks is not a Rasta thing. See? So we don't own no monopoly on people wearing locks. And me wouldn't support no one who go violate no person. You understand? You go violate people for wear locks, and you go hold somebody and cut off their locks, and they sit. The bridging are some loose talk them the bridging. Because watch you now. Rasta live in our society. See? And people who live in a society, guess what? There's an implication for every action. You see it? You have laws and rules and regulation where govern society. See? Rasta no group where have no autonomous power. So we can go around and dictate to people and tell people how they feel live their life and they see? Because Rasta is not a doctrine enough for type. You have to understand that in a bridging. Rasta is not a doctrine. See? And you can understand where you get your consciousness and your knowledge about Rasta. Me can understand say it come from the music, because you is a music player, you is a selector. See? So the message of consciousness where you garner, you gain that through listening to reggae music. See? But what you must understand, so reggae music is not Rasta gospel in a region. You have millions of Rasta across the world when I have nothing to do with reggae music. Them not sing reggae. You understand? And them are not musician, but them are Rasta. See? So we not bind the two of them. It can be separated. You see me I say? You see the Rasta artists them, we respect them and we love them. See? But you must understand, so there's a difference between music, business, and Rasta lifestyle. You see, entertainment and music business, it come with a whole heap of intermingling. And once you deal with music business and entertainment business, you have to deal with the people them who involved in a music and entertainment. See? So, me go try to make you understand certain little things where certain little things change and where we reach now as a group where you call Rasta. Because remember, Rasta is a lifestyle, virgin, you see it? It's not like I say, it's a religion or it's a doctrine. See? So watch you now. You see, if you need to understand where Rasta is today, you have to take a couple step back in a history. You understand? And see what did happen in a history and what caused certain little changes for me to where we are today. See? Because Rasta never started out as a religious group, as you see today, and as how many people interpret it today. See? The same reggae music where you the tied to Rasta, I want you to understand, say, through the reggae music and through righteousness, Rasta get infiltrated. See, I'm going to repeat that. And this might sound controversial to enough ones, you know, because even enough Rasta, I'm sure, might disagree with what I say right now. See? But through reggae music and through righteousness, Rasta get infiltrated. And we're there, where we're there right here now. See? Because the world I look upon the reggae artists them as the as what we then call the true Rasta. Just for wanting a better word. As true Rasta. So when time I want to see me, I walk through certain place in Europe, people would then just automatically walk up to me and ask me, say, if me an artist, if me do music and all of them things. See? But a two different lifestyle. Because people look upon the reggae artists them as the true Rasta. You see it, and people conflate the both. The Rasta lifestyle and the reggae music lifestyle are two different sitting. See? Because watch you now, you see, if you go back in a history, you have to go look upon one man named Reverend Claudius Henry. See? You have to go study upon a man there and know what did happen in a history with Reverend Claudius Henry. And you might wonder how that have anything to do with what we are talking about right now. But watch you now. Just a brief synopsis I want me to try to show you, you know. Just listen up. You see, Reverend Henry did come to Jamaica. Seen? In at the time when Rasta really have no leader differently still. Seen? So him did come to Jamaica to be the leader for Rasta. Because Claudius Henry was a man where him have military training and all kind of shit. Because him went there in America and him and him bridging them come down. But the man they did have kind of a revolutionary kind of mindset. See? But at the time you have to pay attention to the political climate same way too, you know. See? Rasta the rise Jamaica, they seek independence. Seen Marcus Garvey movement do it thing in America. Seen Claudius Henry come down a Jamaica now and him decide say him depend a revolutionary thing. Seen at that the time the Jamaica when still governed by the British system. Seen? So Claudius and him brethren them decide say alright, a revolutionary. Seen? So them link with the Rasta them. Seen? Claudius Henry start to make certain kind of demands. Certain kind of people in a society start to want to hear what him a deal with. And them send people go check him and want to find out really why him demand and all kind of different things. You see it? And them and they went up on a political thing and a real revolutionary thing. That was Rasta. See? That was Rasta. So, more want you to understand the changes we make now. You see, after Claudius Henry and him brethren them decide say them a go overthrow the system, the governance system at the time. Them go and them shoot up some British soldiers and some things, see? But the plot, what them did have to overthrow the government, it never work out. And them get arrested, see? And then kill Claudius Henry. Prison some of them brethren, them and them kind of things, you see? So you see after that now, some of the Rasta them separate themselves, like them associate themselves from Claudius Henry. See? And after that, the Smithsonian them and the researching bodies across the world, America, England, them start to send in people, come in, come check the Rasta them for find out what really are going on with Rasta. What is this group? What uno want? What uno a what? Uno is a religion, is a spiritual group. What is this? Nobody know nothing about this group. You see it, so them want to find out. See? So the man they make them know and say, watch ya. It's a revolutionary group. But the revolution is not a bloody revolution. See? The man them cause remember you have some people who were only and solely with Claudius Henry, while you have some people they went upon the sideline, they went upon the fence, kind of one way. See? So these are the people now where them the people them who them want to study the movement now. Them go to them people now, them go to them Rasta now and say to them, all right, they are them have to organize they are themselves. See? If you don't want to get certain kind of claim and certain kind of rights in a society, you don't have to organize yourself under certain kind of body. See? And the demand them what the Rasta them did want was repatriation. See? So Rasta, they in exile in a Jamaica. See? We want you to just remember that. So we there in exile. See? So a repatriation was the demand. See? When them a demand repatriation, the man them a said to them, say, cause them send lawyer and all kind of different people to them. And them a make them know, say, all right, watch ya. Uno can get certain demand from the organization where exists. The British government and them kind of sitting there. In order for them listen to uno, Una have to organize yourself under a certain body with part. Is either una go through the religious way, or una go through the political means, or the man them have to go deal with it through economic means, where una work and pay up una way back to Africa. See? So, based on the different ideologies them at the time, enough of the man them never agree with the religious aspect of the thing. Enough of them never agree with the political aspect of the thing. And enough of them didn't agree upon them paying back them way back to Africa, because Rasta did come out of Jamaica, and the black people did come in Jamaica free. So them must say them not see why them should have paid to go back to Africa when they went take out Africa and come to Jamaica free. See, so based upon them different ideologies, they know you have different groups when now we call the Rasta houses. See? And me hear you single out one of them where you talk about the 12 tribe of Israel. See? And in the 12 tribe of Israel, them man then preach food doctrine. See? And them man they start the whole revolutionary movement through the music. See? So through this they know, certain of the infiltration start to come into Rasta. Right, that's where you call. See? I know enough people go up in arms and feel away because me I say through that means the infiltration start. Well, that my opinion based upon the elder them what me reason with and things what me read in history. See? So the music business now start to go on, where you find say at the 12 tribe of Israel when control the music side of Rasta. And through the artists them will come through the movement there. Bring the consciousness of Rasta to the world. See? So now you will find say people who just see an ordinary Rasta man, we just immediately think say him a musician. Because through the music, the consciousness bring to the world. See? In the 12 tribe of Israel, them man they eat everything. Them man they eat beef, lamb, probably a pork alone them they eat. I'm not sure. See? But them not preach no food doctrine. So if we say people must go hunt down Koffee now and trim her just because she come out and talk say she an a Rasta and she eat meat and them kind of things. It would be disingenuous for us now start to single out Koffee because of whatever personal decision Koffee choose. You understand? So we now must go violate Koffee as a person. Because that me hear you are saying, Bridget, you like you say, the Rasta them now, them weak or the Rasta them now organized and the Rasta them scattered and Rasta now and this and Rasta now and that. Bridget, you see the personal vendetta what you have with Koffee, you know if you attach it to Rasta. See? Because watch you now, yeah, as I said before, you have people in a society where we're lax. So just say for a while example, Koffee and one lax said man meeting a one little accident or something or some kind of disagreement or whatever. And the lax said man they feel like I say him should have heard Koffee, and then him go heard Koffee then how escape. People probably catch him on CCTV and them kind of sitting there now. You know what the headline what I'm reading on the newspaper? Say Rasta damage Koffee for whatever reason. You understand the levels? So I don't want you to attack some little loose talk and attach it to Rasta to make it look like I say Rasta is a jungle movement. It's not a jungle movement, Virgin. See? So now ask Rasta to go carry out non jungle justice because of something where you have on a personal level. You see me I say, cause guess what, brother? Rasta no Rasta. You see like how rude boy in a rude boy world say, real no real. Guess what? Rasta no Rasta. And Rasta no need nobody to define who is Rasta to them in a virgin. See? And this what Koffee has say right here now. I know nothing new. A long time we hear Koffee say she and a Rasta. And we're not surprised about it. And if she says she and a Rasta a long time and now she claims she says she eat certain kind of meat or whatever. I fear business that we not care about that. Cause Rasta can't save nobody in a bridging, no group of Rasta can't save no individual in a bridging. See? And you have your own salvation in a yarn in a bridging. Everything where you see a galang round here in a bridging, just make sure say you see what is real to you. You teach that to the ones who closest to you. See? So you understand your home, you understand your community. And you protect your children in your home, you protect the children them in your community. See? Because we not go around go beat up nobody and kill off nobody and trim nobody and them kind of sitting because we live in our society, Bridget. See? And you have rules and laws and all of them sitting there where govern people behavior. See? So I don't want you to use your personal vendetta and advocate for no kind of violation towards the girl. She do music. And music, reggae music, as me say, is not Rasta gospel. See? And same way like how I break it down to you and tell you where the infiltration come in and where the message changed from the revolutionary message to now them are saying righteousness and whatever you hear them are sing. And we love the reggae artists them in a brethren. We respect them in a cause. Guess what? Them man they're responsible for bring out a wide amount of consciousness to the youth them in a society. Them bring certain light to the people in that world. Them bring the message and the lifestyle of Rasta out on the stage and make people can see it and make people can accept what we are and who we are. You understand? But that is just one part of the movement, Virgin. I may all hear you say, no man no Rasta what you see with cross can't talk to your cause. He man know real Rasta and this and that and all of them sitting there, Bridget. Like, come on, Bridget. See? You see, more time we have with power and we give to in a Bridget. See? We give with power because we don't understand certain things. Because we see the Christian people now adopt the cross. We start to say the cross and ours. See? But you must understand, Foota say, the cross It ancient more than Christianity. See? And the cross are not for Christian. The cross are filled with thing, man. Original black people said no, man. Is it? But a magic in a bridge, is a magical symbol. See? And you have to understand the magic behind using the symbol in a Christianity same way too. See? So watch you now. You see, if you want to know more about the cross, I then recommend you go read one book named The Golden Dawn. See? And you will get some more understanding of where the cross is coming from and what it is used for. You understand? Some more time, you know, if you make some little loose, wild talk, if you not really understand the whole dynamics of the thing. See? Because the same way you would see a man with a swastika same way. And you would have bunny mouth say him a Nazi and this and that. And you not even know say even that same way are ours. And is a sun symbol same way too. You see me I say? So you have to understand them things of Foota Hype. And remember me I tell you Foota Hype, say people love you and a lot of people are listen to you. See? Whole heap of people are listen to you. And it no mean say everybody will listen to you. The things them where you talk, it new to them. Just remember that, Bridget. So before you come and make some wild, loose argument, Bridget, you understand? Just think about it, man. And sometimes when you see somebody do something, you have to understand the intent behind them doing whatever you see them do. You see, not just get up and just make wild judgment, and you understand? Reach your higher self, man. You see it? So I don't want you to make it seem like I say Rasta a one extremist movement, or a one movement where I want jungle movement where we just run out and carry out jungle justice for people. Because you see where society reaching a Foota Hype. You see where society reach today. See? And every one of them like a group here, you know. A long time them have Rasta under scrutiny in a bridging. And if you are go assess certain things pan the social media to make it seem like I say Rasta group is a group with extreme tendencies and extreme behaviors, and we are trim people because people not conform to what we think say them, how we think say them should have live. See? Them sitting there go coming like I say we are one extremist group, you know, we know, Virgin, or one terrorist group, and all of them little label they can attach to Rasta just based on certain things what you are saying, Virgin. See? So when you fight, brethren, fight your fight. Because I'm not tell you say you don't have to fight your fight. See? But don't attach it to Rasta. Because Rasta don't have no monopoly upon righteousness. Rasta don't have no monopoly upon consciousness. See? And Rasta don't have no monopoly upon wearing locks. See? All of them things, them are individual choices, man. You see me I say, whatever you do in a life with your personal life, or your personal business, and no group of people can save you from yourself, and you have to save yourself. Yeah, man. So I want to say, give thanks and blessed love for all of those who watch the video to the end. So we want to say massive respect to the people them. I want to say give thanks to all the people them who they subscribe, and want to say keep the comment section alive, but keep it respectful. See? Blessed love. Rastafari live.